In 70 AD, the Emperor Vespasian made a decision that would leave its mark on the world for 2,000 years. On the site of a drained artificial lake, in the heart of Rome, he ordered the construction of the greatest amphitheater the ancient world had ever seen. What followed was one of the most remarkable engineering achievements in all of human history. Over 100,000 tons of travertine limestone were quarried from Tivoli, nearly 20 miles away, and hauled to Rome by an army of laborers. Tens of thousands of workers, slaves, prisoners of war and skilled Roman craftsmen worked in relentless shifts to raise the structure from the ground. They used no modern machinery. Instead, they relied on a sophisticated system of pulleys, cranes, and Roman engineering genius that has rarely been matched since. The Colosseum rose 4 stories high, stretching 188 meters in length and 156 meters in width. 50,000 to 80,000 spectators at a time, equipped with a retractable awning called the Velarium to shield the crowd from the blazing Roman sun. Beneath the arena floor lay a complex network of tunnels and chambers, the Hypogeum, where gladiators, wild animals, and elaborate stage machinery waited in darkness before being lifted into the light of the arena above. Begun under Vespasian and completed under his son Titus in 80 AD, the Colosseum was finished in less than a decade. At its inaugural games, the celebrations lasted 100 days. Nearly 2,000 years later, it still stands, a testament to Roman ambition, engineering brilliance, and the unstoppable human drive to build something that lasts forever.